We're going to make super fudgy brownies from Martha Stewart. Okay, we're going to need a half a cup of cocoa powder. Half a cup. Now this cocoa powder came from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Okay, let's move this stuff out of the way where you can see. Give me a few minutes. I have to fix this camera. Okay, let's add the sugar. We're going to need 1 cup and 1/4. You're going to need 3 large eggs. Okay, we've added our eggs. 3 large eggs. Mine was small, so I added 5. Okay. We need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. One cup. Okay, you see it's all mixed in now? Okay, give me 1 second. Now you're going to need some hazelnut spread. Make sure you put 3 of them teaspoons in your chocolate. Okay, and this is a cheap brand from the Dollar Tree. Okay, you see how thick it's getting? That's what you're wanting. Okay, we need baking powder. One half teaspoon, just a half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of baking powder. One half teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon. 1/2 a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. Half teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, that's all for right now. Okay, you need to prepare your pan. At 350, turn your oven on, let it be warming up. And you see everything's mixed up, right? Okay, that's when you need to stop. Okay, we need a 9-inch pan. We ain't got no 9-inch pan, but we got an 8x8. Spray your pan. Okay. You can use parchment paper on this if you want to, but I'm not. I'm just going to do it just like this. Okay, now we're going to get some chocolate chips. We got Hershey's chocolate chips. Much or little as you want. We put a half a bag, and it was a 8-ounce bag, 4 ounces. Now you're going to bake it for at least 1 hour. Check your oven at 40 minutes and start from there. But from 40 to 60, because everybody's oven is different. Made a pizza sandwich. We put ham, hamburger onions, pepperoni cheese, and pizza sauce on toasted bread. There's the bread, toasted, cheese, pizza sauce, pepperoni, hamburger onions, and ham. Try you on these, see if you like it. And you can also grill it on the stove too if you want to. It's been 35 minutes. We're going to check our brownies. Because like I said, everybody's oven is different. Oh my God, they're looking good. Okay, let's stick a toothpick in it and see if it comes out clean. No, it's not done yet. Okay, we'll put it back in there. 15 more minutes and we'll come back and check it again. We don't want them overdone. Make that pizza sandwich. That was awesome. I fried my hamburger and left it in the refrigerator overnight to make these sandwiches. And get a slice of ham, a slice of your favorite cheese, and 10 pepperonis. And then put your pizza sauce on one side or both, and then you can heat them up in a skillet for 5 minutes on each side. But I toasted my bread, so I didn't have to do that. Make them pizza sandwiches. I promise you, you won't regret it. Then put whatever else you want on there. Thanks for watching. This is Tanya's Home Cooking on YouTube. This is our fudgy brownies. Let them rest for 30 minutes before you cut into them. We're playing Donkey Kong from 1970s Donkey Kong. I hope y'all like that video game, because I sure did when I was a kid. See you later. Bye.